Big Yellow Bins is proud to offer a comprehensive range of waste disposal services tailored to meet the diverse needs of Central Ontario. Whether you're working on a home renovation or managing a large construction project, we've got you covered with same-day dumpster rentals and varied dumpster sizes for different projects. Whatever the job, we make it easy to find the right fit for your waste disposal needs. Our services go beyond just providing dumpsters. We offer extended rental periods to give you the flexibility you need and provide eco-friendly disposal and recycling options, ensuring that your waste is managed responsibly. At Big Yellow Bins, we prioritize sustainability, recycling whenever possible to minimize environmental impact. With our easy online booking and payment system, getting the right dumpster has never been simpler. Plus, our personalized customer service team is here to assist you every step of the way, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience. Let Big Yellow Bins handle your waste disposal needs efficiently, affordably, and with a commitment to the environment.